So I remember that did tell us how the 9525 silver crest motor is the best motor in terms of silver crest blender. So the 9525 motor was bought, I had installed it, and now I'm going to show you how powerful this motor can be. So I'm going to start by testing it or test running it with making moi moi with this blender. So I'm going to first show you how we can peel the beans using the blender. So watch this video and see how we're going to carry out that process. It's going to be a very straight and simple process. And please, I always ask, subscribe, like, and share my video. That's the only way you can support me, and then others can also have a view of this video as well. So in order for you to peel your beans, you need to soak these beans for a period of 1 or 2 hours just to soften it a bit. And for you to peel the beans so that you can use it for your moi moi, all you need to do is to turn it into the blender. Okay, make sure the level of the water is above the beans so that we can carry out this process. And you're going to see that I'm not going to blend on high speed. I'm going to blend on a very low speed so that it will not actually crush the beans. You understand? So I'm going to do it on a very low speed. So watch out as I'm going to carry out this process. I'm going to find a way to scoop. I'll carry out this process. I'm going to reduce the water a little, but the water level should be above the beans level. Please don't ever load your blender to this level. If you blow this to this level, you're going to stress the machine, it can't smoke, and you're going to be stressing the motor in the long run. The type of motor I am using here is definitely not the type of motor most of you are using out there, but I'm just going to show you how to peel this. Then I'm going to use this as a measuring utensil to know the quantity of beans I'm going to put and blend at the time. So just measure the beans up to this level and then take your time to grind them one after the other. But for now, I just want to peel, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Don't try this with your own blender. It may not be the same motor I'm using. So you're going to put the speed on the low speed, which is the lowest speed, and then you turn on the blender. This is not going to crush. It's not going. So it's just turning. It keeps turning and turning. It's not blending anything. It's just to peel off the outer scale of the beans. I can see how stressed the machine is at the moment, even though the blender is a very strong one. But I can see how stressed it is. Don't try this with your machine. It's going to break it down. You will not try it. So I'm not showing you what you should not do, but rather I'm going to show you what you should do. You have to reduce the quantity of this and watch it does the job. So you have seen the correct level at which the beans is now. Let's see how the machine is going to act. Remember to put it on low speed and on it. It's going to turn. Have you seen how active it is now? It's not going to grind because it's on low speed. Just peel the outer scale of the beans. Thereafter you can wash it off and then be prepared for the next step, which is the grinding proper. It is on low speed. The low speed will not grind the beans. It's only going to help peel the outer cover of the beans. If you see from the picture here, it's gradually peeling the outer cover. And so you just do this for a little time. Another method you can do this is the pause button, so you can just 1, 2. The pause button is very powerful. You can see it's stressing my gen. My generator is stressed. So I'll return to the normal, this one. So there's no need in rushing. As you can see, the beans have been cleanly peeled, and I have taken the measurement. I'll just put it inside my blender and then let the process begin. So this is the quantity you should put so that you don't stress your blender. In as much as it's a powerful blender, it doesn't mean you have to come and show him the the blender short of strength. This is not the place for it, please. So you just add a little water. The quantity you know will be okay for you. And so we start the blending proper. So you're going to take time to do it this way until you get to the consistency you want. And you see what's happening, please. So in little or no time, your meat is well grinded. Look at what's happening. So see what we have here. Have you seen? This is not magic. This is not magic. The blender is working. So I'm going to take time to grind the next batch. Okay, so you're gonna do that until you get to the quantity of beans you want to grind for that day. So we are going to start the second batch. The second batch I've included all the quantity. I increase the speed. See what's going to happen. My blade is shifting. The blender is loud. Wow. Too powerful. Too powerful. It's stressing my gen. I'm using this with my generator. 5,000 watt, too much. So see what we have here. I'm going to go for the third batch. Take your time. Have you seen? It has grinded the beans to powder to a dough form mixture. Okay. So we're going to go for the third round. So if you see in my third mixture, I added the crayfish. I didn't add any of the seasoning. I'll leave that for my mom to do. Okay. The essence was not to make more, it's to show you the strength of this blender. And so when I'm done, I'll leave the other mixture for my mom to do. I can do it, but well, this is just a show of what the blender can do. So let's please like my video, share, comment, share, subscribe, please. I know you always forget to subscribe, but please subscribe, please. That's the only way others can see this video now. Please help me subscribe now, like now, subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys. Let's continue. Wow. So this is the final product of what we have here. I'm going to turn it so you can see the consistency. So see what we have here. I mean, what do you expect this blender to do? A super powerful blender like this, what do you expect? I'm going to turn everything again in batches so that they can mix thoroughly. Because the first time I didn't add any of the ingredients, so I'm going to turn them again and mix. That way it will even blend very well and give you a better consistency. The moi is going to be so yummy, okay? I won't show you the aftermath of the everything, but this is just to show you that this blender works. And not every silver press blender are the same. If you want something as powerful like this, just check on me, okay? Thank you guys. So this is the end process, how everything went. Everything has now been packed and packaged. Ha! Look at what this blender could do. So I'll just take it to my mom and she's gonna do. I mean, respect people that prepare moi moi for sale. Even though the blender made it easier for me, but it's a whole lot of process. So respect people who make moi moi to sell. And with the help of this blender, it becomes even easier for you. Man, look at the quantity of moi moi I'm going to get today. This is what I'm going to have for my dinner. Subscribe to the channel once more. Please like and share. And make people come to terms with the fact that silver press can do the normal steps in the kitchen. You just have to go for the right one. I remain Joshua Victor Manuel. Thank you. Love you guys. Peace out.